Chemo Aqua Head Spa with a differentiated shampoo service for hair salon, massage shop, hair-related hospitals and clinics. Aqua Head Spa for deep scalp cleansing, water acupuncture massage, damaged hair restoration, and hair loss prevention, with repeating pulsation of purified anion water. Experience the solution of Aqua Head Spa for the scalp massage and the restoration of your damaged hair. Deep clean scalp and hair with purified water. For the healthy hair and scalp, Aqua Head Spa filters out lime, fine dust, and heavy metals from tap water and removes even foreign substances that are invisible by applying a double filter with no need of replacement. Electrolysis removing disinfectants such as chlorine and generating negative ions. Aqua Head Spa removes disinfectants such as chlorine remaining in the tap water and generates negative ions, giving vitality to the oxidized hair and scalp and restoring them into the healthy states. Aqua Head Spa removes residual chemicals from colors, perm, heavy metals, and fine dust stuck on the hair and scalp, and helps to keep the scalp pores healthy by removing wastes within them. Massage effects on meridian points by Water Jets Acupuncture. It helps with hair emulsion with 5 steps of high-pressured water jets that is safe water acupuncture as in the oriental medicine, and gently massages the meridians and acupuncture points of the scalp to help with blood circulation and support skin lifting of the face for anti-aging. The Aqua Head Spa that sprays 2,500 pulsating water pressure per minute are practical design for free movement. Provides heated water optimized for the hair and scalp care with automatic heating. The damaged and oxidized hair can be restored into healthy and shiny hair with repeating pulsation of anion water. Anyone can easily use Chemo Aqua Head Spa. Aqua Head Spa removes residual chemicals and heavy metals stuck on the hair and scalp after colors and perms. The 5 steps of customized high-pressured water jet cleansing reduces the emulsion time in half, making a difference in the salon service. Renovated and distinguished shampoo service with high technology. Many people are already experiencing the amazing Chemo Aqua Head Spa. Clients feel addicted to the scalp massage and restored hair by Aqua Head Spa and become regular clients. Aqua Head Spa is developing in collaboration with shampoo and colors manufacturers. In addition, in hair-related hospitals and clinics, Aqua Head Spa qualified as an amazing shampoo device for hair loss prevention and treatment. Experience Chemo Aqua Head Spa right now.